The only thing missing is strawberries. Oh, nice and juicy lemon. I did take the seeds out. Yeah, I removed the seeds, but I made it. I made my own lemonade. I know, this thing is hideous, but hey, until I can get another, this will have to work. But, yep, lemonade. Whoa, see that? Look at that. Look at that lemon. Oh, pulp. Look at that lemon pulp, y'all. Making my own lemonade with my whisk. Yes. I'm gonna ice it and put this on. Yeah. Timu. Oh yeah, it happens. It happens to be. Whoop. I think I need some more. Yep. Just a few more chunkies. Whoa. Get in there, baby. Got to save room for the straw. All right. Let's get that pushed down. Give it another yummy twist here. Whoop. Don't make a mess, girl. Don't make a mess. You make a mess. You gotta get your beautiful Timu dish sponge, y'all. You gotta get it and clean it up. It is, guys. It's a sponge. Check it out. That's absolutely what it is. You got to clean up your mess. Absolutely. Ooh, clean it up. Clean this. And take care of that. Watch this. Oh yeah, it is a sponge dishcloth. Absolutely, guys. Get you some. These, I think they're Swedish made or something like that. Yep. These are Amaze Bomb. Yep. I love them for just wiping down the sink after you're done with your business. Look at that. Look at that. Just soaks up all of the water. Soaks it up. Don't have any all that stuff left. Yeah, just soaks it up. Love this thing. And just gonna say it, you all. Yeah, this is Mimi. Whoop. Uh-oh, there's some coffee still on that. It's been soaking over here for a little bit to go with this Craves right here. I'm gonna put a little more in there and not run it over because I don't want to mess with the side of the sink. But what is that? Y'all, look at that. This little gizmo right here that keeps your stuff drained in here has a grab it on it to put your dishcloth on. Look at that. Did I say dishcloth? I mean dish sponge. Dish sponge. It just goes right there. Usually I just do it this way so it will dry and you don't have to worry about it smelling or, Absolutely. No. You just Yeah, there you go. Let's just get back over to this, shall we? And this. Yes, let me feel. It's still not cold enough. Chances are I'm going to have to put this in the fridge and let it just chill a little while, guys. And I'm making a mess. Okay. I'm going to have to just hold on to this tightly because we don't want no spillage. Any more spillage going on. Nope, we don't, because we're trying to get that dry. And we're trying, y'all, to take care of business. I know I'm doing this with one hand, and you can see that I'm just tightening this up very slowly. There we go. Now, put it in the fridge. Let it sit right here in the fridge for a few minutes. Then I can drink it. Not eat it, but drink it. And put it right there. There you go. There it is. There it goes.